You just sing your bit first.
Okay. Hi. I'm Katie.
Say my name then.
Come on, what's your name?
I'm Jamie.
Okay. We're doing a cover of Payphone Maroon 5.
We're gonna be like singing different choruses though.
She's gonna sing the chorus. I'm gonna sing the
little bit of it.
Little bits of it.
Okay, Katie can start first.
No, you are, because you're doing the
Oh,
chorus. Go.
Let me sing then. Hello everybody.
Hello,
Right.
pretty ladies.
Hello pretty ladies.
Okay.
Go.
Go.
I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the time gone, baby? It's all wrong. All of the plans we made for two. Happy ever after did exist. I would still be holding you like this. And all them fairy tales are full up here. I'm a stupid love song, I'll be sick.
Yeah, I know it's hard to remember what people we used to be. It's even harder to picture the journal here next to me. I know it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in that time that wasted, all of my bridges burned down. I wasted my night, you turned out the light. Now I'm paralyzed, you stuck in that time when we could love. But even the sun sets in paradise.
I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the time gone, baby? It's all wrong. All of the plans we made before two. Happy ever after did exist. I would still be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick.
Yeah, now I'm about to pay phone.
Okay.
Fuck that shit.
Yeah, just fuck that shit. I'll be spending all this money when I'm going to
Allow it, bruh. Bye. Should we watch it? Oh god.